Now, this is for those who are still jam next year. Okay, now if you're still jam next year, we have an online class that is starting on the 4th of November 2024. If you're still for jam 2025, we have a class starting on November 4, okay, November 4, 2024, and we have well-versed teachers who are well experienced in their different subjects that are going to handle the different subjects, okay, who are going to coach you to score at least 90 in their subjects, okay, in their individual subjects, because each teacher has a target of producing students who are going to score 90 and above in their subjects, because there's a monetary reward for the teachers. So those students score the highest, okay. So it's important to join us if you are taking JAMB next year 2025. Starting on November 4, 2024. The goal is to cover the C level before February next year. And after February, we'll start divisions. Okay. So it's important to join us now. Okay. In order not to miss important lessons, it's going to be good for you to join us when it's already almost late. Okay. Make sure you join us before November 4, 2024, in order not to miss any important lesson. Okay. Now, last year we had students who scored above 300. Many of our students scored above 300 last year. Okay, and we intend to even do better this year because we've employed more strategies that will help us to have students who are going to be scoring close to 400 next year. Okay, that is important. Don't limit your mind. Okay, because I have teachers, like I trust the teachers I've employed to coach you guys on the different subjects you're going to sit in the exam next year. So I trust the teachers, and they know they are well knowledgeable in their subjects, and they are ready, they are willing to help you and eager to make you the highest scoring candidate, because they have a reward for it. Any teacher that his or her students scores the highest has a monetary reward, so it's like a competition among them. Okay, so make sure you join us early. I'm emphasizing early because I need you guys to help me, okay, make you score 350 and above. Okay, I need you to help me make you do that. Okay, because when you score high, when you score high in your exams, I will use your results to advertise for the next year's lessons. Okay, just like I've used 2024 candidates results to advertise for this year's lessons. Okay, so I need you guys to even do better. So that's why I'm emphasizing on you guys joining us early. Don't join us when it's already too late. Okay, don't join us when you have missed many lessons, okay, many important lessons. Make sure you join us early. We are starting next month, November 4, 2024. Okay, make sure you join us early. My teachers are ready. My teachers are ready to help you, to help make you the highest scoring candidate next year. Okay, tell your friends you want to see score high next year to join us. The fee is minimal, just 1,000 naira per subject per month. Okay, so for just 1,000 naira, okay, you're going to be taking on a particular subject for the whole month. Okay, so you can register for as many subjects as you want. You can register for the 4 subjects. If you don't have 4,000 to pay for the 4 subjects, okay, you can register for 3 subjects, you can register for 2 subjects, you can register for 1 subject. Okay, I understand the hard economic situation of this country, which is why I've made the lesson flexible, okay, and the fee very minimal, so that you can afford it and not have excuses not to score high in your exams. So make sure you join us early. November 4 is when we are starting. Okay, so that is it. Use the number that is on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message if you wanna join us. Okay.